Oh, were we arguing? I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so mad. I just kicked something. When I was a little filly and the sun was going down, the darkness and the shadows, they would always make me frown. I hid under my pillow from what I thought I saw. What? I am not slow, for I am fast. For it's hop, 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 and away I go. I don't need these stupid glasses to be at 100%. I can see just fine. Take that! Don't make me hurt you! Eeny, meeny, miny, burn! I wanna turn! Try to keep up. Are we there yet? Ooh, what does this button do? Didi, get to my laboratory. I am doing work. Miss Ellen, can I talk to you? Can I tell you something, Miss Ellen? Don't fuck with me! Stay away from my man, bitch, or I'll whip your sorry ass back to last year! Lulu, I got some apples. Lulu, you got some too. Lulu, let's get together. I know what we can do, Lulu. Dada. He really notices these ribbons of mine. That's why they're my favorite ones. Oh, Bozuhan, Dada. You see, my owner will not let me out of my cage, so I cannot come out to play. Okay, get a grip, get a hang of this flipper. It's like slipping 2 feet into one big huge slipper. This way is left, or which way is right? Oh, now I'll be circling in circles all night. So this is fine, no problem. Wish my mother could hear it. This is my song for a moment, just a moment, I belong. Hello, look, hey, listen. I'm the best, Mario! Yeah, here's Daisy. I'm the best! I'm the best! Toad's voice always sounds like he's on crack or something. Yahoo! Yes. Oh well. Better luck next time. I don't even think my mic picked that up. Starfire, you have to control your emotions. You must feel flight. When you feel the unbridled joy of flight, you will fly.
Dad, can you buy me a shotgun? Yeah, action bastard! To be a man, you must have honor and a penis.
Otto's nappy smiles and way. To my heart you found the key. Baby, Yvonne is born today. The angels say she's here to stay. Allô, Nebula, comment vas-tu? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Why did I even do this one? こんなったマヨ殺していたの。死ねーん！かない楽しい。小林、見て見て。You are seducing Lady Tora with your body. Cuckold, what with classes? Pervert! Give her back! 全部シードの先によ。何言ってるんだよ。ごめんなさい。ありがとう。はい。ありがとう、シードくん。That voice really hurts to do. 街まだ見華やかえてんな。そにのすめださ。眠ない午前にリスバタンク。作り変わる友方みたいだ。たくゆん頃にさ。涙ぐんだ未来も。明日の何かに綴られた未来。たくゆん first. Hey everyone, I really hope that you enjoyed my impression reel because I had a ton of fun making it for you guys. I'm so sorry for the lack of uploads, but I am off of school now, so I can upload more and I won't keep you guys waiting for so long. So that's something I suppose that you can look out for. Very quickly, I just want to talk about the impression reel. So I know that some of the voices weren't all up to par, but I am trying to, I guess, expand my range. It's so strange because young boy voices are always more easy to do for me than like an older female. I guess it's because you kind of like, let me give you an example.
You talk from the inside out, like how you're not supposed to talk.
But seriously, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope it kind of made up for the lack of covers. About the covers, I'm actually working a lot with people outside of my channel. If I'm not posting on this channel, I am very most likely doing singing work with other people. The song playing right now, it's called Baby Boom by Rob Katie. It is on my SoundCloud, reposted, and it's on my Twitter. So if you want to check it out, awesome. And I love you guys with all my heart. I will have more covers up really soon. And of course more voice acting, which I kind of feel like is taking up the channel recently. I haven't covered in so long. But anyway, thank you guys, and I will see you soon.